Hey guys, what's up? So today's top is Checkra1n 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called No Please Recovery and prevents desktop applications from sending your iOS device into recovery mode via lockdown. So you can't accidentally, update or restore from iTunes. So never be able to put your device into recovery mode in order to restore it. So pretty cool. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. This tweak could definitely save you. This is called iCleaner Pro version 7.9.1, supports iOS 4.x to 14.x, real first iOS system cleaner, and optimizes removes unnecessary files from your device and allows it to tweak it to your liking. This is the changelog right here. I also forgot to mention that iCleaner Pro is out of beta. Next tweak is called Short Emoji, and all-in-one tweak for iOS keyboard lets you replace some of the big broken paid tweets. And then this is called Dual Clock, adds a second clock to a lock screen status bar. This is called Be Gone Sia, control your privacy, lets you control your privacy by giving you a control center toggle to enable you to disable your microphone, camera, and GPS. This is called Selector, and just wait for it to load. But it allows you to select text to search them up or to translate them. This is called Unc0ver, randomate your income notifications or pin them to the badges, files 13 and 14. And this is called Enlighten, version 1.10, actually the version before this. It's night mode camera for iOS with a whole new algorithm and huge improvement. So it's night mode for iOS camera. This is called Croutons, actually was updated, so there's another tweak called Croutons 13, which supports iOS 13 and 14.4. It replaces the text and breadcrumbs with an app icon. And this is called Tweak Compatible, and it basically tells you if the tweak is compatible with your version. So this depends on the user, so the more tweets you rate, the more you help other people out. It does work on iOS 13 as well. Sure on iOS 14, but I can't confirm that. This is called Pinter Bar Less and hide Pinterest status bar. This is called Replay, add shuffle and repeat buttons to now playing views such as Control Center and a lock screen player. And this is called Power Cuff, supposes S-to-hand power throttle mode for better battery life. And this is called Hide My Dock TV, adjust the transparency or hide the dock on tvOS 13 Plus. And this is called Quick Search, quickly search for something on the internet. And this is called Milky Way 3 and multi-window mode, resizing each window, minimizing windows, open no app as windows from 3D touch. This is called FlyJBX. You can hide view and jailbreak your iDevice, so just like the other tweak. So I also want to mention with Milky Way 3, there's also Milky Way 2 and Milky Way, depending on what iOS version you have, and it's kind of like a Mac feature where you have or Windows or computer feature where you have different windows. That's what Milky Way does. And this is called App Hider. It makes apps disappear from the springboard. And this is called 420 Tools, common library for my tweets. This is called Theos Auto Installer, Theos Auto Installer Unc0ver, Checkra1n, Odyssey for developers. And this is called iWalk, with iOS 13 to 14. And this is called Rapid Fire Tap, iOS 12 to 13. It allows you to rapid tap in anywhere you want. So you can rapid tap anywhere on the screen, and it'll just keep touching the screen for you. So it's good for certain games. This is called Twitter Auto High Quality, with iOS 12 to 14. Require a Twitter app from the App Store. Auto loads photos at the highest quality available. You don't have to press and hold image to select 4K to get the image in 4K. And this is called Jellyfish, monitorize your lock screen inspired by watchOS motion face. It supports iOS 12 to 13.7. This is called Shahid Plus. Requires Shahid app from the App Store. Force Shahid app to play video in 1080p. Enable classic style. And last week is called Spotify playlist number of songs, and shows the amount of songs in Spotify playlist. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.